Welcome back to the deep dive, where we get right to the good stuff. No filler, just pure actionable knowledge. And today we are all about making your next trip smoother, like way smoother.
Yeah, you arrive at the hotel, maybe a little jet lagged, maybe a little overwhelmed, and bam, you gotta check in.
Yeah, and if you're in a country where you don't speak the language, it can feel, uh, well, kind of intimidating, right?
Totally. But we've got you covered. Today we're diving into 15 essential English phrases that are like the bedrock of a successful hotel check-in. These are the phrases even A1 level English as a second language students learn. So, the basics. But don't underestimate them.
They're powerful little things, these phrases. They can make all the difference.
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's break it down step by step, starting with the moment you walk up to that front desk. What's the first move?
Well, you want to start off simple and clear. Hello, I have a reservation. Boom, right to the point.
I love that. No messing around.
Yeah, and then you immediately follow that up with, my name is your name. Just like that.
Got to confirm who you are, right? Make sure they got the right booking.
Exactly. And it sets a good tone. You're organized, you know what you're doing.
Right, right. Okay, so you've greeted them, you've given your name. What's next?
So this next one is a little pro tip. I booked a room for 1-2 nights. Confirming those details right away can really help prevent mix-ups later on.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely. I've had that happen where, they think I'm staying longer or something, and then there's this whole thing.
Yeah, so better to be upfront about it.
And then I love this next phrase. Do you need my ID or passport? It's like you're reading their mind.
Yeah, you're one step ahead. It shows you're prepared and it keeps things moving.
And it's kind of funny how often I've forgotten to have my ID ready. And I'm like scrambling through my bag.
Oh, I've totally been there.
Okay, now let's talk about practical stuff. What time is check-in? And what time is check-out? Like, those are super important to know, right?
Absolutely essential, especially if you've got, flights to catch or tours booked. Got to plan your time wisely.
Makes all the difference when you're trying to squeeze in all those awesome travel activities.
Exactly.
Okay, this next one, I admit, I'm guilty of using this one all the time. Can I have a room with a view, even though I know, it's not always possible?
It's worth a shot. And even if they don't have a room with, an amazing view, they might be able to give you one that's, a little bit better.
True, true. Now, to the essentials of modern travel. Is breakfast included? And those all-important Wi-Fi questions. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
And what is the Wi-Fi password?
Got to stay connected, right? And a free breakfast, who's going to say no to that?
Exactly. All right, next up. Navigating the hotel itself.
Wow.
Where is my room?
Yeah.
And is there an elevator? I mean, those are pretty straightforward, but so necessary.
Especially when you're lugging around heavy suitcases or you're, not able to take the stairs.
Yeah, or if you're just plain tired after a long journey. Okay, and here's one I always try to remember. Can I get an extra key? It's such a lifesaver when you're traveling with someone.
Oh, for sure. Avoid so many headaches later.
And finally, for that moment when you just need a little help. I need help with my luggage. No shame in asking for assistance, right?
Nope, not at all. It's what they're there for.
Mm-hmm.
And to wrap it all up, thank you. Have a nice day. Always end on a polite note.
It's amazing how these 15 phrases, they really do cover pretty much everything you need to know to check into a hotel.
It's like a masterclass in concise communication.
It's true.
And, if you think about it, mastering these basic phrases can really boost your confidence when you're traveling, especially in a new country.
Totally. It's like having a secret weapon against those lost in translation moments.
Exactly. It gives you that sense of control, that feeling of being prepared.
So there you have it, folks. With these 15 phrases at your disposal, you're ready to conquer any hotel check-in.
Now, here's something to ponder. How do you think this approach, this focus on clear, simple communication, might empower you in other travel situations?
Yeah, that's a great question. Think about it. How could just a few well-chosen phrases help you navigate a new city, order food, or maybe even make new friends? The possibilities are kind of endless when you think about it.
And that's the power of communication, even at its most basic level. It can open doors, build connections, and make your travel experiences so much richer.
So keep those phrases handy and go explore the world with confidence.
Until next time, happy travels.